Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to add an image from your computer into your blog post. So you're going to create a new blog post, and then you're going to click on the button that says Insert Image. From here, you can choose from this blog, choose from your Google Album Archive, or your phone, or your webcam, or from a particular URL. I'm going to choose from my computer, so I'm going to upload, then choose File, and I'm going to select this campaign brochure cover here. It's going to load, and then you want to make sure you select the image that you want. You can actually add multiple images if you want. They'll just line up in this box, and make sure the ones that you want are highlighted in blue, and then add selected. From here, if you click on the image, the link button is going to highlight. If you click this, it's going to remove the current link, which was probably linked to your computer and won't show to your blog viewers. But if you click it again and hit the link button again, you can actually add your new link here. So I'm going to add my Avon store link. And then I hit OK. And then when your customers see this blog, they're going to click on the image and it's going to take them to that link. And then you hit save or publish. You can also preview it if you'd like to see what it looks like, but I don't believe the link is actually going to work in the preview. Yeah, it doesn't. So, okay, hopefully that helped.